Hi, my name is Wendy. I'm a founder of ByDesign together with my husband Toms. Welcome to our new YouTube channel, ByDesign Landscape Studio.
Hi guys! In this first video, I'd like to show you my portfolio. Most of the projects are completed when I'm still in ISS Hydroculture. Currently, ByDesign is an ISS partner to support their landscape design projects in Singapore. By the way, thanks to ISS Hydroculture for trusting ByDesign to collaborate. We open collaboration to any local or international developers, contractors, consultants, or anyone who needs our services. You can contact us via phone, email, or Instagram it's shown in this video, and also refer to the description box. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, turning your space into a stunning landscape with ByDesign.